Hello, this is me Jubair Subjai, industrial and technical sales expert with AI-driven data and business management. As a person, I am very much passionate about industrial sustainability through lubrication and cost management. Recently, I did my master's in industrial engineering management from Texas, USA. Before that, I did MBA in marketing from Dhaka University, and I did bachelor from Chuet in mechanical engineering. I worked 12 years in different kinds of multinational oil companies like Chevron Lubricants, Shell, and Total Energies, Bangladesh. My last job was in TSI Limited as technical sales manager, who are the exclusive distributor of Total Energies lubricants in Bangladesh. In 12 years experience, I got a huge experience in industrial lubrication, sales forecasting, sales budgeting, export, import, and commercial negotiation, and team management. On top of that, I am expert in different kind of necessary softwares like Python, R, MATLAB, MS Office, MS Project, and WordPress also. In 12 years job experience, I got a lot of recognition like Best Sales Award, Top Target Achiever, and different kind of foreign training and tours. All over, I am very much confident to contribute myself as industrial sales or management leader who can give you the perfect revenue generation and the cost management. About my goal, I would like to say that I am actually working for global industrial sustainability and reliability. That I have collaboration with different kind of institute and professionals like Society of Petroleum Engineers, Institute of Bangladesh, American Sales Association, and some professors from Chuet, Buet, and Lehman University, USA. Finally, I want to see myself as true industrial business leader who can give you the perfect reliability and sustainability through industrial management and the revenue generation. Thank you.